On October the 28th, the 3rd Shandong Talents Innovation and Development Fair and the 13th China Shandong Domestic and Overseas High-End Talents Exchange and Projects Negotiation Fair were held. Renowned academicians and experts from both home and abroad gathered in Jinan, Shandong, to engage in dialogues focused on the present and looking towards the future. We had the privilege of interviewing Dr. Wolfgang Sand, a distinguished research fellow at the Institute of Oceanology, Chinese Academy of Sciences, who is a biologist from Hamburg, Germany, specializing in microbiology.
I'm basically from education biologist with specialization in microbiology. So we were working in concrete in sewage channels, seeing how bacteria are destroying the concrete of sewage pipelines in my home city in Hamburg in Germany. Then I continued with all types of materials, including steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, some polymers, and developed from this also the technology called bioleaching, which is used for the winning of precious metals like gold, silver, but also the main technology, copper, zinc, nickel, cobalt, all these metals. And uniting these two fields is basically, both are dissolution of a material by microorganisms, most cases bacteria. So to understand the dissolution process, how materials are dissolved by microorganisms. It's the second year for me in Qingdao, in the institute. So it was really a nice reception there. The people were very friendly and they really are, liking to cooperate. And it's for me, on the other hand, also interesting because it's exactly what I have been doing at home in my home country. So to deal with students, to deal with postdocs and others, and to give them some ideas and guidance about the way of research, and also bring perhaps a few new ideas to widen the field of the activities there. People are extremely friendly and helpful, even with problems which I was partly responsible for. So people try to help in all cases. Just a very simple example would be, if you look, we are all endangered by global warming. That's a very important subject, and one of the themes would be global warming and infrastructure. I think worldwide, not any country is really experiencing and knowing what to do about the consequences global warming will have on the infrastructure. A very simple thing, if you look into chemistry, 10 degrees higher temperature means doubling of the reaction velocity. It means if the temperature is increasing, the corrosion will increase, the deterioration of materials will increase, we will have problems with the quality of drinking water. So there are many things, and it seems that maybe such ideas are very well received in this Institute for Oceanology, so perhaps there could be some nice work for the future be done. The environmental value around is in Shandong province much higher, so I appreciate the city near to the ocean to be able to see the sea, to walk on. Anyway, we are dealing with water, so we are near to the ocean. So I think this is a lot of assets. The recreational value of the province is very high, so I think this is something which Shandong could even put more as an asset in the front end, as an activity.
As Shandong continues to optimize its talent policies and research environment, it is expected to attract more international talents like Professor Sand, working together to promote scientific innovation and high-quality development in Shandong, while jointly addressing various challenges, including global warming.